Okay, a little bit of Easter egg content. This is the Game Boy portable carry-all by ASSI. As you can see, it's quite light around here. It starts to yellow here, and then it's pretty yellow on the side parts here. So this is the worst section. And so I'm going to get this going now, leave it 24 hours. So same principle as before, I'm just not using a plastic bag around this because I basically don't have one that's large enough. I've got a container here though that's a pretty good size that I've wrapped foil around just to help with reflecting the light in. I've got my 12% hydrogen peroxide here that's arrived, and so that's just going to go in now. And the reason I generally like to use a bag more is when you're pouring it in like this, you're using a lot of wasted space. Like down here it's filling up rather than going onto the item. So that's 2 litres worth, all poured in, and then all I'm going to do is, in fact what I might do is I think I'll just have it this way around. The light's going to reflect in and it's going to get to the sides anyway. Balance the lights on top, and then I'll just keep an eye on things. I'll probably flip it over halfway round as well. But yeah, I'll do this, and when it's all done, 24 hours, I'll show you the final results. Right, so we're back again. I had intended on taking this out at 24 hours. It'd pretty much been in there the other way round for the majority of the time, so with the outer surface facing up. When I came to take it out, the yellowing had diminished, but not by much, so I've given it another 24 hours with the last little bit of it with it the other way round. Remember in the previous video I told you about the bubbling? So here you can see those bubbles that form on the surface. That's perfectly normal. So with it having had 48 hours, I'm now going to take it out, dry it off, and let's see what kind of difference it's made. Right, so you ready for the big reveal? Here it comes. Look at that, it's come out really nicely. So it's weird when you take them out, you go, oh, it hasn't really done much, and you watch the old footage back and you really see the difference. So what I'll try and do is mimic what I think I did on the first one, and you'll really see the difference. But first I'll kind of look at, like, all of this has come up, especially this part's come up really nicely, and I think on the original one it was kind of discoloured there, and then when you looked on the side it was really yellow here, and then I turned it over and this was really yellow as well. So all you've got now is this has come up really nicely, and all you've got is like just a very little bit of, it's slightly darker, slightly discoloured, but nowhere near as bad as it used to be. Much better. And in fact the way you can kind of see how it was and wasn't was because I've been having it in like this and like this. I noticed that when I open it up here where that's kind of been overlapping, look at the difference. So it used to be like that yellow colour there, and again you can see it here. Obviously during the whitening process, because I've had it closed like that, the UV hasn't been getting to it. So what I'm going to do right now is pop the strap on, and then just for a bit of fun I'm going to put the final shot will be this in there. Okay, here we are to close out the video. We've got our lovely nice white Game Boy portable carry-all by ASSI with the strap now back on again. Inside we've got our previously retro-brightened Game Boy that you saw in parts 1 and 2. So that was stripped down, cleaned out, retro-brighted, and then it also has room for our headphones, the connection cable, and 4 of the games which you saw in the previous one where I did some gameplay of these. A longer video I've also done on Kid Dracula because it's quite a rare game, and then we also did some other bits and bobs. We did some gameplay of these, and we got the Buster Move cart working as well. But a really fun like restoration video, nice one to do to get them all looking nice and sharp again. And if you enjoyed the video or learned anything, maybe you might want to take it on yourself. If you do, please be careful. But if you did, please give me a like, subscribe, it really helps me grow the channel. And until the next one, all the best, take care, and see ya.